The place where I'm currently standing is meant only for shopaholics. This place is situated adjacent to Cross Maidan and opposite to Azad Maidan. This place is known as the Fashion Street of Mumbai, which is internationally recognized. It started in the year 1988 with only 112 shops then, and now over a period of time it has developed to approximately 400 shops. Now this idea was initiated by 3 Gujaratis and 1 Parsi shareholder who came together and decided that fashion should also be available for middle class people for affordable prices.
हम गुजरात से आए हैं। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं ख़रीदने के लिए और हमारे मिस्टर ने हमको गिफ्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे घूमने के लिए आए हैं।
Now these particular t-shirts are basically only for men. You have one shirt which says I am in shape. Now whichever shape you belong to, I'm sure after wearing this you'll be definitely in a very good shape. Now, we need to even cater to formals and casuals or semi-formals one for office goers as well. We have this. We have these formals and semi-formals out here with long sleeves. You can even fold it and wear it. You have different colors and different patterns available out here. You also have 3/4 or capris available if you want to even just hang out with friends. Now, not to forget that you have these shops with a placard of fixed rate. Now these few shops will have this kind of a placard and few shops will not have this kind of a placard. But if you belong to a potential buyer, I'm sure the rates will surely come down. Now let's have a look at the Indian wear. Before that, there is denims out here. Let's have a look at the denims out here, wherein you can actually fit yourself into these denims and really carry yourself and make a style statement in your college or office. However, not to forget the traditional ones. There are Indian clothes available out here. Now you can see there are really colorful, bright patterns available with a lot of colors, making a good impression. You can actually carry this with any traditional function you have. Also, as mentioned by people out here, there is a bus full of tourists that come here to visit this place just to shop.
कम से कम 40 साल हो गए हमको यहाँ धंधा करते हुए। ग्राहक तो आते हैं जाते हैं, लेडीज जेंट्स सभी आते हैं।
Apart from clothing, you can also have a look at the accessories available for your apparel out here. You can take a look at these one of the hand gloves, which a man wears it on his hand and really carries himself as a style icon. You also have few tattoos which both men and women put it on their body and actually flaunt themselves. A tattoo like Scorpio, Lord Ganesh, and if you're really very bold, you have tattoos like Sun as well. Now the best part of shopping is bargaining. You can really bargain out. So though the shopkeepers out here quote a higher price, you can actually come down to a 50%. However, the crazy stuff that you can see in US and Europe are also available in this fashion street for a fraction of a price overseas. With cameraman Swapnil, this is Vrinda Thakkar wishing you happy shopping from MRC.